Hi guys, this is Denzel Gunner here, and I'm going to show you my paper pistol that I made. It's very kind of cool, and see it has this sword, so we're going to break immediately its first apart, so I don't have to lower, so I don't have to squeeze this. Every time when I squeeze this barrel, it just pushes the bolt come up out of there, but now I can. So this strap, you see the straps here? This straps just hold extra bullets that it's for this barrel, for the down barrel, and same goes to this one. So you see it has inside, so you can see it, but make sure the sight. Wait, oh wait, the sight is not. Wait, look at it. It just like first, but I don't know if you can see it or not. You see it? I just kind of put a tape there because I accidentally put a tape. I tried to figure out how to put it out and mean to do. So let's see if you can read it much more. Yeah, so that's it. So this is the magazine. It's all pretty hard to load, and it has some extra bullets. Show you what it popped up. So let's just get out. So you can this one, that is two. So just the most results. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold 6. So I'm going to just test file later. So let's just do a preview. So as you see, I put as you see just now, I just put something on. What is this? I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, this, because the magazine is like when I always shoot it, it always come and fell down. It's like it always falls down, and I add another there, and then that's it. So that's why I grab one bowl that is perfect, or grab this one. By the way, it always works the best is put in, and you put one bolt in, you put that. So make sure it's still, and you fit it in at the back. Show you right now. It's kind of got a bolt, so we're gonna put it at the back, and also you want to load at the bottom. So the belt's pretty tight, so it's like this. Gonna hold it at the bottom. Yeah, so that's it. To give it a test first, I just put all the bolts in the magazine. As you can see it. Magazine's really cool. Actually, I had to do a tutorial for it. Just very cool. It's real simple to make, and I added shear trigger. It didn't move, but it don't shoot. It's below there, and yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna test fire. It don't shoot quite far, but a little bit far only. So just to load it up. So now gonna take out the bottom barrel first. I'm gonna keep it on. You're gonna take out your this barrel, this bolt for your barrel, and gonna leave the top here, you will see two bolts will pop out or they will join together. Let's see if two bolts will pop out. Two bolts will actually pop out the normal way, but let's see because I put it quite tape belt on the other bullet to help it just be accurate and stay hold. So now let's go with the test fire. So you'll probably see two bolts will pop out. So wait, that's a problem. Wait, I just remembered to do this. So I don't know why it didn't work, but wait, wait. Very well, and the face it. So let me try it out. So that was my better. And you didn't see two bolts just pop out. So it's like for the bottom barrel. The bottom barrel is pretty cool. Not for you. So see, the bottom barrel is quite actually very accurate. Very accurate. That actually, 19. But metal and but that's a lot of mud on your belt. Sorry. I need to hurry up. I cannot do it tomorrow because today I can just do it even at night, but tomorrow I can't do it because I got my soccer tournament coming up tomorrow, and this is it. It's like it's quite short for me, and so if you want me to do a tutorial, just rate, subscribe, and comment. Everybody, please rate, subscribe, and comment. Just that, and I'll do a tutorial. Even I have like 4 subscribers, I'll do a tutorial of this, and either one comment at one video, okay? Either one comment and go ahead and 2 likes with this video, okay? So bye. Rate and comment, subscribe. I don't want to do this. Bye. Remember this Daniel Gunner.